Now that we're done with doing an introduction, let's get into setting up our environment for being able to go and write some code in RStudio. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the File button in the corner. We're going to hit New File, and we're going to click R script. Right. You can also go use Control Shift N if you want to go and do it really quick. Right. So if I just hit Control Shift N, I have another untitled script over here. So now, because we're going to be working with the ggplot2 library, we're going to go and attach the tidyverse library, which is the larger library which ggplot2 is a subsidiary of. So I'm going to go and just write it in very briefly. So we have library tidyverse. And if I just highlight this over here and I hit Control Enter, right, we see in the console over here that everything ran pretty well, right? If you get warnings like this where it was built under a different version of R, it just means that you have a newer version of R, right? And tidyverse hasn't been updated accordingly, or at least on your computer it hasn't been updated. But for what we're going to be dealing with, it shouldn't cause too much trouble. But if you go and you get a message like there's no package called tidyverse or something like that, then what you're going to want to go and do is that you're going to want to reinstall the tidyverse library. So what you're going to want to do is write, not in your actual file, you're going to write in the console, install packages, dot packages, and then you're going to write in quotation marks tidyverse. Right, just note the distinction that in install packages, I'm going to be using quotation marks, but when I'm calling the library, I'm not going to use quotation marks. So I would go and write that, and here, I just wrote that wrong, packages. So then now I get a dialog box with going and telling me to go and restart it because I already have this installed. And what I would essentially be doing by reinstalling this would be updating the packages. So I don't want to go and do that now. So I'm just going to hit no. So now that we have that done, we're going to then in the next video look at the data frame that we're going to be using and creating our very first visualization. I'll see you there.